children, I welcome you all in the next session of General Science, lesson number 1, that is Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. In the previous sessions, we have learnt about natural resources, air, ozone layer and water. Today, we are going to begin with land. Can you tell me, children, what is land made up of? Okay, land is made up of soil, big rocks, stones, etc. What do you see on this land? Mountains, valleys, rivers, coasts, oceans can be seen. Also, we can see buildings, bridges, etc. What has man created on land? Man has created different types of shelters, roads and agricultural farms on land. If a deep pit is dug in the ground, what do you find there? We see different layers of soil when we dig a deep pit in the ground. Is land flat everywhere? No, land is uneven. Does man produce soil or land? Man can artificially produce land by reclamation. Reclamation means the cultivation of waste land. Land is seen in the form of stones, soil, big rocks, etc. It is not flat everywhere. It is hilly in some places, whereas flat at some places. All terrestrial animals, including man, live on land. Some terrestrials means animals that live on the earth dig burrows in the ground for shelter. This means that they use land for fulfilling their need. We also use land for farming, building houses and roads. We make use of plants and animals in the forests that grow on land. The minerals, crude oil and natural gas obtained from land are very important for us. It means that land is a very important resource. Minerals means naturally occurring solid inorganic substances from which we get metals and non-metals. Crude oil means unrefined petroleum from which petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. are obtained. Natural gas means a mixture of gases such as methane, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. which is mainly used as a fuel. Now let us see what is land made up of. Let us see the activity. You have to take a transparent plastic bottle and cut off the upper tapering part of the bottle. Then add a handful of soil, some stones, sand, some dry leaves and water in it. Stir the mixture thoroughly and put it aside. Observe it on the next day and answer the questions. Question number 1. How does the mixture in the bottle look now? The mixture in the bottle looks in the form of layers. Question number 2. Do you see layers in it? Yes. Question number 3. What is seen in the different layers from top to bottom? In the different layers from top to bottom, it can be seen that dry leaves form the topmost layer. Below that, layers of soil and fine sand can be seen, and the layer of small stones and big stones can be seen in the lower part of the bottle. The land on the earth also looks like this. If a pipeline is being laid in your neighborhood, observe carefully the pits dug for this purpose. You can see some layers under the land surface. The land below this is full of sand, soil, small stones, worms and insects. Soil and pieces of bedrock are found below this layer of land. Bedrock means solid rock underlying loose deposits of soil. This soil is immature. Immature means not fully developed. Below this layer, the proportion means amount of soil decreases and that of rock increases. This is the layer of bedrock. The main minerals in the soil are derived, that is obtained from these rocks. That is why soil in different regions is different. The color and texture means quality of soil are both determined by the bedrock. So children, in this session we have learnt about land. In the next session we will be beginning with the process of soil formation. Thank you.